Hey champions and superstars, my name is Eugene Cheng from Freedom Profits and welcome to today's presentation on how to engage and market to your customers using Amazon Live Creator tool. Now, before we get started, I would love for you to do me a quick favor. If you want more insights videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can help you create more tutorial videos to help you scale and grow your Amazon e-commerce business. Thank you. Now, I'll be adding a lot of value for you throughout this video, so get ready to take notes. And if you miss any important information, of course, you can always refer back to this presentation. Now, let's get things started. So you probably notice a lot of notifications popping up for people going live, where you're scrolling through your Facebook or even your Instagram newsfeed. It's even common to drop in and to see a huge party going on or what's happening, people going live right here. So in today's day and age, we don't want to miss out on anything, and we want to be the first to know about the latest news. Now, live streaming on Facebook and Instagram is the ultimate way to engage with your audience in real time and to share your experiences with them. Much like Facebook and Instagram live streaming, Amazon's new Amazon Live offers a lot of strong opportunities for engagement. The tool allows brand owners like yourself to host your own live streams to promote your product. And so what will you learn today? So pretty much you'll learn how to engage and market to your customers using Amazon Live Creator tool. Here's an example of Amazon Live that I took a screenshot of. This is an influencer, Mariana Hewitt, is live streaming Amazon's new Ballet skincare solutions. She's doing a lot of demos for the entire range. Check this out, you can even add products for the display below the video while the live stream is running. So this is allowing a lot of easy access for customers to purchase your product if they really like it. That's pretty neat, isn't it? So how do you use Amazon Live for your marketing, to be part of your marketing plan for your e-commerce business? Well, according to Amazon, live streaming can help drive sales and product discovery. So it's highly recommended that you sellers try it out while the competition is still low. I know not many people have started using it, so just jump in. So here's my take on Amazon Live. There's 3 powerful ways you can use Amazon Live for marketing and your branding purposes. The first way you can do is to use it by enticing shoppers to make purchases by educating them with tutorial and also with demo videos. For instance, QVC hosts demo videos to promote products on TV, and shoppers can make purchases during the show. In this case, Jim Fallon and Arnold Schwarzenegger was goofing around during a QVC show. This is an example here. Second way is using Amazon live streaming. You can also alert and notify shoppers about a limited promotion that you are running. For instance, you can leverage fear of missing out by creating a special promotion that only lasts during the live stream for shoppers who tune in. If consumers don't buy during the live stream, and they won't be able to get the same discount again. And third way is you can partner up and also empower influencers to engage with shoppers, with consumers, promoting your products, similar to how Amazon uses influencers for their skincare brand. You can partner up with influencers, run regular live streaming tutorial videos to educate your audience and also potentially new customers. And this is really powerful ways you can you leverage on influencers' audience, as well as this will surely help with your brand reaching out to a broader audience and also boosting your sales and profits. So to host a live stream, brand owners need to first download this mobile app. It's called Live Creator, Amazon Live Creator. However, at this stage, Live Creator is only available for iOS users, Android users. You might have to wait for Amazon to release the Android version, or you can always borrow a phone, an iPhone from someone else. Alright, how do you use Amazon Live Creator? Here are 5 steps you can follow to start your first live streaming. Pretty excited, isn't it? So first step, once you've downloaded the app, you need to log into your Seller Central account. And then once you're in there, you can click on the plus button at the right in the middle here to create a new live stream. And also there's a more option button where you can change your channel settings, connect your Seller Central account, learn more about the general FAQs, read live streaming tips, and many more. There's even an option for you to switch between brands, if you have more than one brand. So this is the first step. Second step, you can choose to run in practice mode first, and if you need to do a few test runs before you go live. When you are in practice mode, Amazon will give you a unique link so you can see yourself on a private channel page. Now, if you're regular and you often run live streams on Facebook and Instagram, and you don't need any practices, then you can just ignore this step. The third step here is to add a product. So remember how I mentioned earlier about how products are being displayed below the video while the live stream is running. Now, this is the third step. You can add products that are related to your live stream, so shoppers can make purchases immediately while they're watching you demonstrate product usage or any other tutorial videos that you're running. And once you have chosen any products, remember to name your live stream using primary keywords that you're using for better Amazon SEO. Now, step number 4, you can also add a banner for your live stream video. You can choose to either share promotion with viewers or display a custom message with them, shown in this image right here, my screenshot on the left side. So keep in mind your promotion, when if you choose to share promotion, it will show like as this middle image right here. It will display as a banner at the bottom of your video, and customer can click on the banner to apply the promotion to their account, so they can make a purchase using the promotion code. And the promotion ID, you can obtain it from your Amazon sellers account under the advertising tab. Just go to advertising tab and then promotions, and then manage promotions. If you already have a promo code that you want to use, if not, you can always create a new one. Now, when you're sharing, if you choose the option to display a custom message, so custom message will also be the same. It will be displayed underneath the banner, underneath your bottom of the video. And remember to include scarcity and call to action in your custom message to encourage shoppers, consumers to take immediate action. So once you're done, of course, click save, and then you opt to the next step, which is the final step. Is you can boost your live stream if you want to reach more shoppers, and I highly recommend this. You will need to connect to your Seller Central account before you can boost your live stream. This is the second one that you have to connect to. The first one, when you just log into your Seller Central account when you first use this app, but to use the boost functionality, you need to log in and also hook it up to your actual seller account. Now, this boost functionality is very similar to how you can boost posts on your Facebook. It's a little button to boost. If you notice that on your Facebook post, and keep in mind that here's the special note here. Currently, the live streaming feature is only open to US professional sellers that are registered in the Amazon brand registry. So if you're not registered on brand registry, I'm afraid you won't be able to use this functionality, this app right here. So highly suggest register your brand in the brand registry, so you have more access to other features as well, such as EBC, add more videos, storefront, and also Amazon Live Creator tool here. And also live streaming from China and Hong Kong is not supported yet. So these are just a couple limitations, but I'm sure in the future Amazon will open up to more countries. Now here's some couple of final thoughts right here. Like, do you think Amazon Live attract the same level of influencers, brand owners, involvement, and also dedicated viewership compared to Facebook or Instagram, or even here's a bad example, Taobao Live? So for those of you who don't know, Taobao is the biggest e-commerce marketplaces in China, owned by Alibaba. Now Taobao Live Stream was launched back in 2017 and it has more than 10,000 live stream hosts now selling products live on a daily basis. So this is really powerful. China is always one couple steps ahead of us, and so they already started using it 2 years ago. So Amazon's slowly catching up, and I reckon that sellers selling within the beauty industry should definitely take advantage of this Amazon Live to market and promote to shoppers. So have a think about it. Now just remember to know that if you never try, you never know. For those who hasn't tried, or you're feeling skeptical about selling through live streaming, just give it a go, and see how things pan out. If you're camera shy, I'm sure there's always one friend of yours who enjoys being in the limelight. You can grab him or her to give you a helping hand. Now, don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions for me. I promise I'll reply within 48 hours. And thank you for taking time to watch my presentations video up until the end. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed creating for you guys, and I hope you gained lots of values and took it down a lot of notes. And feel free, of course, to share this video with your friends who would think will benefit from it if they run an Amazon e-commerce business. Share it with them so that you do it. And also please subscribe to my channel for more videos to help you scale and grow your Amazon e-commerce business. I wish you the very best of success and testing this new feature and also your Amazon business, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.